I will also check the paper on the screen of all the students present this time in the class. So please note down in the paper, test paper, 15 minutes are there. When I will ask you for the answers, then only raise your hands. There is no need to raise your hands now. 15 minutes are provided. You have to rearrange these sentences, jumbled words in meaningful sentences. Okay. Now these words are not arranged in meaningful sentences. You have to make the proper sentence. Some time has been provided to you. Note down in your test paper and solve it with meaningful sentence. Then I will ask one by one. Okay, class, I think you have completed. Some of the hands are here. Raised hands are there. So now I will start the answer rounds. Yes, some more hands are raised. Avek से now fifth B. This is the class of sixth. Okay, Janvi Garg. First sentence.
यस मैम 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 जो
Yes.
मैम आपने इससे पहले मैम जो फर्स्ट टाइम मैम फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड मैम थर्ड असाइनमेंट्स दिए थे मैम उसमें मैम मैंने पेंसिल से लिख दिया था मैम मुझे पता नहीं मैम कैन यू प्लीज दैट ओनली इन अ बुक
That is all the test papers you have to do by pen. And if you have used pencil, then it doesn't matter. It's okay. Those are the test papers.
ओके मैम कैन बी मैम मैंने वो पेंसिल से लिख दी थी मैम इट कैन बी कंफर्म
It's
कैन बी
okay.
पेस्ट
Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
मैम
Tell me the
फर्स्ट
first
आंसर
answer.
television is on the internet assessed
No, no, this is incorrect. Vibhu Rathor.
The internet is accessed on television.
The internet is assessed on televisions. Okay, this will be the right answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Upranshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Second sentence.
We can carry laptop easily.
It can be more appropriate if you are writing. We can easily carry laptop. Okay. Third sentence. Aditya Kumar.
Ma'am, it is important to eat breakfast.
Yes, it is important to eat breakfast. Correct. Next one. Arslan.
Education is about learning and teaching.
Education is about learning and teaching. It's about teaching and learning. Education is about teaching and learning. Next one, Sonakshi Gupta.
America discovered Columbus.
No. This is incorrect. Harsh Mittal.
Columbus discovered America.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Columbus discovered America. Next one. Aditi Gupta. Aditi Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth
Ma'am,
sentence.
The room was being cleaned by Sharda.
Yes, that's correct. The room was being cleaned by Sharda. Next one. Kartik Mittal.
The naughty boy broke the window pane.
The naughty boy broke the window pane.
The window pane.
Okay. Next one, Atharv Swami.
Yes, ma'am.
8th sentence.
Ma'am, a battle fought. No, ma'am. A battle was fought by the soldiers.
Yes, a battle was fought by the soldiers. That's right. Next one, Divyanshi Pathak.
Who wrote the Mahabharata?
Who wrote the Mahabharata? That's right. And question mark will also be there because now it's a sentence, proper sentence. Arnav Kulshresh.
Yes, ma'am. The sweeper sweeps
Next
the
one,
floor. The sweeper sweeps the floor.
the sweeper sweeps the floor. Yes, that's right. Those who have given me the answers of this test paper may lower their hands. Let's other give the chance. Some more sentences are there. Lower down your. This will be continued by some more sentences. 10 are on this page and some more are on next page. I am sharing with you. You have to copy down those also and sort out. Three more sentences are there. It will be continued like 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So please note down within 5 minutes and be ready with the answers. Okay, I think some students are done with the sentences. First one, Riddhi Agrawal. Yes, Riddhi. Avika Yadav.
Second wala. Ma'am,
First
second
sentence.
wala. First second. Nitish rode his new blue bike.
Okay, only first sentence. Nitish rode his new blue bike.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second, Nancy Rohera.
There are two birds in a nest.
Yes, there are two birds in the nest. Third one, then
पापा तो आ गए शायद
third
आ गए
sentence.
शायद
Please reply fast. Purvi Chaturvedi.
Our teacher, Mr. Sham, has a cat named Timmy.
Very good. Our teacher, Mr. Sham, has a cat named Timmy. Okay. So overall, these are 13 sentences. Lower your hands, those who have answered me. Some more sentences are there. This one, 3 are again, and you will put the numbers 14, 15 and 16. 14, 15, 16 in your test paper. Five minutes for you.